Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to grade 7 Hindi online class. Are you fine? I hope you are well and safe at home. Today we are going to learn lesson 1, Matru Vandana. Do you pray all every day? Yes, we all pray every day. For what we will pray? We will pray to God for our needs and necessities, isn't it? But in this poem, people were praying to God for the motherland, and also they are asking to God how they have to be in this motherland. Now listen, children. Matru Vandana. What is the meaning of Matru Vandana? Matru, you know, mother or motherland. Vandana means pray, salute, price, many meaning we have to take here. Matru Vandana, prayer for the motherland. Okay, the people were salute the motherland and they are asking to God how the motherland should be. How they have to be in this motherland. What they have to do for the motherland. The motherland, how it become, how it should be like that and all they are asking to God. Now listen here. I think you know to read now. You have studied all the letters. Swarakshara, Vyanjanakshara already I said. If you know that, you can read. Reading is the great problem. Once you know to read, you will feel easy to read. Now listen here. Look the poem. इस देश को हे दीन बंदो आप फिर अपनाइए. इस देश को. Do you know to read all? Some of them know to read, I think. Some of them don't know to read. I want you all must know to read. Okay? Listen. One easy way I have given here. I am showing this to you. Listen. Only this much you have to write in a one page. Those who don't know to read, I am telling the method. You have to write in a page all the letters. Total, only you have to know these letters you can read. Now listen here, I have written here A to Aha, and the Kaka Kiki, one line I have written Kaka Kiki, Kuku, Kirke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kaha. Below that I have given the symbol. Next with the pronunciation I have written the letters. Next the off letters. If you know these letters, we can read. Now listen. इस देश को you have to read. इस देश को. Listen here, this Matru Vandana you have to read. Matru word is there, you don't know to read. You have to find the word. Look here, the ma, and look here. The ma is here, ma. Then ma you have to find. Take this ma and bring here this symbol. Ma, ma. Instead of ka, we have to use ma, ma. Next me, me. So ma we need, isn't it? Ma. Next, tir, you have to find. Take this ta. The ta bring here. Ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, tir. Okay? Tir, ma, tir. Next, vandana. How you have to read vandana? Vandana, va, you have to find from here, va. Next, the half letter is there, in. We have to take the straight line, no? Remove, the half will get in. With the next letter, find next letter, da. So, I have to read in the, vanda, na. Next na is there, na, the na symbol. Vandana. If you read like this 5 lessons, you can read well. Once you know to read, you will feel Hindi is easy. Okay? Please try like this poem, you can read all. And now listen here. Is desh ko he deen bando. There, people are asking to God. Is desh ko he deen bando. Aap फिर अपनाइए. The God has created this world, isn't it? He has given this land to us. They are asking to God, oh God, this land you have given us, this is yours. The land is yours. आप फिर अपनाइए. You are given this, now you make it yours. This is yours. Bhagwan, is देश को, what's mean is this? देश means country. देश को है दीन बंदो. दीन बंदो, oh God. Deen Bandho means God. Aap fir means after, again. Fir apnaiye, make it yours. Apnaiye. This land is yours. Take this land. भगवान भारतवर्ष को फिर पुण्य भूमि बनाइए. Then they are asking to God, oh God, भगवान वर्ष में भगवान God. भारतवर्ष को, भारतवर्ष, इंडिया, which is our country? India is our country. हमारा देश का नाम क्या है? हमारा देश का नाम भारत है. भगवान भारतवर्ष को फिर पुण्य भूमि बनाइए. पुण्य भूमि, holy land. Make it, oh God, make it our land holy. Make it holy land. Now this land is full of sinful because of cheating, lie, modern corruption. Because of these things, the country is full order sinful. So you make it holy. जड़ तुल्य जीवन आज इसका विघ्न बाधा पूर्ण है. जड़ तुल्य means dead life. Our life is like dead life, no? Because every work is doing the machines. Like the olden days, people were done everything themselves. Now not like that. If we order, we will get the food also. Only the thing they have to invent to take the food to put in the mouth. That only many of them doing. Only they have to take the food and eat. Remaining everything, if they are sitting in the chair, just if they are switch on the mobile or doing something, they are getting the things. Okay, so जड़ दिल्ले जीवन आज इसका विघ्न बाधा पूर्ण. So people, they don't know the pain. If we are doing this, we will get this. They don't know nothing because of this dead life. We are sitting and ordering and getting, eating and doing something. Okay, money makes many things, no? Because of that, it become like this. जड़ तुल्य जीवन आज इसका विघ्न बाधा पूर्ण है. Many because of this dead life, many obstacles are there in this motherland. Hey Ramb, here Hey Ramb means Hey Ramb, Lord Ganesh. Hey Ramb words mean Hey Ram, Lord Ganesh. अब अवलंब होकर, अवलंब means shelter. Oh God, give us shelter. विघ्न कर कहलाइए. विघ्न कर means you remove all the obstacles. Oh Lord Ganesh, give shelter and remove all the obstacles. विघ्न कर कहलाइए. Now listen this. This avalamb, how have to read? I have given this kam kaha, lam laha, like this here. Okay. Here we are reading this lamb, avalamb, ind, like that. Now listen this ammaha, how it will come in the pronunciation. I am showing that. This I did not teach while teaching the letter. Listen here. This is we will read this. Ammaha, I taught ammaha, kamkaha, chamchaha, tamtaha, like this. Look here. Here this is the dot we are using Ganga. Here we are using Inda, Chanda. Here we are using Anda. Here we are using Anda, And. Here we are using Amba. Why do you know this? This we can write like this also. Ganga, Chanda, Anda, And, Amba. While giving the words, I not given Nga, Nya, Na, Na, Ma, isn't it? The three letter I did not give to come with the other letter. Listen. After this dot, we have to see the next letter. After the dot, you have to see the next letter. If the letter is, you have to take this line now. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. The last letter pronunciation. After the dot, we have to see the letter. That letter's last letter, that line's last letter pronunciation. Nga. Ganga, Ing. So it is Inga, Ganga. Then Dasi, here In. Because of this Da, Tata, Dada, Na, In, Chanda. Next, Anda. Is it Ta, Tata, Dada, Na pronunciation, Na. So Anda. This is Tata, Dada, Na, In, Dand. This is Amba. Amba. See this? Imb. Baba, Baba, Ma, Im pronunciation, Amba. See this one, Chanchal. How it will be? Because of Cha, 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 Ja, Ja, Nya pronunciation, Chanchal. So like this we have to pronounce. The remaining other, first 5 lines, these like this we have to pronounce. Remaining, Yarala. After the, suppose this is Sansar. After Yarala, Yarala, Va, Sha, Sha, Sha. After this dot, this letter, we have to use Immar, Sha. Some of them used to read this Samsar, Sansar, like that. Immar, In will come. Okay? I think you are clear this. You have to read like this. Now listen, you have understood this. This is Desko, He Deen Bando, आप फिर अपनाइए भगवान भारतवर्ष को फिर पुण्य भूमि बनाइए. ओ गॉड, दिस लैंड इज yours. This make it yours. You make it holy land. जड़तुल्य जीवन आज इसका विघ्न बाधा पूर्ण है. Because of the dead life, many obstacles were there. Lord, remove the obstacles and give shelter us. Okay. Next, give shelter us and remove the obstacles. Next line, the people were asking to God. सबकी नसों में पूर्वजों का पुण्य रक्त प्रवाह हो. So our ancestors, they were work hard. They done well, isn't it? All the work they have done themselves and live. So सबकी नसों में पूर्वजों का पुण्य रक्त प्रवाह हो. So everyone's nerves, who's the ancestors, blood. Rakt means what? Blood flow in our nerves. The ancestors blood must be flow in our nerves. Means their character we must have their characters. We have to follow them. Guna, Seal, Sagas, Bal, Tada, Sabme, Bara, Usa. They are always interested, the ancient old people. Okay, our ancestors. So they are asking to God, oh God, we need their characters. Guna, good Guna. Guna means good character. Sheel also good character. Sagas, brave. They are the brave people. We got freedom now. We are the free people. Without struggle, we are living freely. But that people struggle a lot for the freedom. So because they are brave, they are strength. Now we have no strength. So now 80 years people will say this and that. But now small children started to say something. Gunashila, Sagas, Bal, Tada, Sabme, Bara, Usago. Always they should be interested in everything. Okay. They are asking these character to God. The ancestors' character they are asking to God. But we will ask to God for our needs and necessity only will pray. But these people were praying for the motherland and we should be like this. Then सबके हृदय में सर्वदा संवेदना sympathy का दाव हो. सबके हृदय means heart. Here on ha is the inside hृदय is like this. It's the ha letter. Ha he well writing. Here symbol you have to put like this. Okay, here hृदय. Sabke means all of them heart. Sarvada always every side, or sarvada means every side, everywhere. Samvedana ka dahu pain. Everybody have the samvedana. Samvedana means sympathy. Everybody should be sympathy. हमको तुम्हारी चाहो, तुमको हमारी चाहो. So your wish to be mine, your wish to be ours, our wish to be yours. Everyone's wish also must be same. Everyone work for this motherland. Everyone work for the country. Okay. Now listen here. Vidya, Kala, Kaushalya में सबका अटल अनुराग हो. So everybody need affection in education. Everybody must be like the education. Vidya means what? Education. Vidya. Kala Kaushalya, workmanship. Or Kala Kaushalya, workmanship. Sabka atal anurag ho. Atal. They should be, they have the strong affection in that. They must be learn something every day. Even children, if you have affection to learn only, you will also learn. But you hate it, won't be that. So you have the affection to learn and do work also. Vidya, Kala, Kaushalya mein sabka atal anurag ho. Atal strong. Atal anurag ho, affection. Anurag, what's the meaning? Anurag, affection. You have to be affection in education and work. Udyog ka unmad ho. When you are doing work, you should be happy. When we are doing work, with happy we have to do the work. Alasya agka tyag ko ho. Alasya, laziness. We have to sacrifice. Tyag, what's mean? Sacrifice. Tyag. We have to sacrifice our laziness. Once we sacrifice our laziness, we will be active to do the work. So when you are doing the work, you have to be happy and you have to be activeness. And they are asking to God these all. Oh God, we have to active when we are doing work. You have to remove our laziness. Okay. Now listen here. सुख दुख में एक साथ सब भाइयों का बाहो. सुख दुख में, in the happy and sad, एक साथ सब भाइयों का बाहो. The all have to participate in the, or like brothers, we have to participate in the happiness and sadness. We have to participate in the sadness and bads in each other to each other. When others are happy or sad, you have to participate in that. Okay, सुख दुख में एक सा सब भाइयों का बागो. All the brothers all should participate in the bad, happy and sad. अंधकरण में गूंजता राष्ट्रीयता का राग हो. अंधकरण में you have the patriotism in your mind. When you have the patriotism, only we will do something for the country. Otherwise, we won't do for our country. First, we have to take care of our family, our surroundings. After, automatically, we will go to the country also. Okay, listen. I think you have understood this. The people were praying to God how they have to be in the motherland, how they have to work for the motherland, how they have to be in this motherland. I think you are clear. I am going to stop from this here in this lesson. Next I will continue next class. Before that I am giving the homework. The class work note you have to write. You have to write in the class work note this meanings. Subha Kamna. What's the word? Shubha Kamna. Suppose if you do not read, which way I told to read, like that you read, please. Shubha. What's the word? Subha. Subha. Kama. Kamna. Kamna. Shubha Kamna. Deep desire. Subha Kamna. Deep desire. Next, this is Deen Bant. Deen Bant. God. Deen Bant. God. Deen Bant. Actually, this Tamil will say, Elaki Irangubavane. We will call the God in different ways, isn't it? Deen Bant. God. Elaki Irangubavane. Deen Bant. Elayin Urave. Like that, many ways we can call the God, isn't it? God is our refuge and strength, isn't it? Vigna. What's the meaning? Vigna. Obstacle. Vigna. What's the meaning? Obstacle. Do you know the meaning of obstacle? Tadaigal. Obstacle. Vigna. Obstacle. Next. Heramb. Heramb. Lord Ganesh. Heramb. Lord Ganesh. Purvajon. This word can read. Irva. Irva. Ir plus va. Irva. Jon. Purvajon. Ancestor. Purvajon. Ancestors. Samvedana. Sama. Sam. Veda. Ved. Na. Vedana. Samvedana. Sympathy. Samvedana. Sympathy. Next. Kala Kaushalya. Kala Kaushalya. Workmanship. Kala Kaushalya. Workmanship. Next. Anurag. Affection. Anurag. Affection. Anurag. Affection. Next. Ala. Ishya. 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 Samiktakshar. Alasya. Alasya. Laziness. Alasya. Laziness. Next. Adya. Adya. Avasyai. Adya. Vasya. Adya. Adyavasai. Adyavasai. Hard work. Adyavasai. Hard work. Adyavasai. Hard work. Vimal. Pure. Vimal. Pure. Vimal. Vimala. Vimal. Pure. Upalaksh. Sign. Upalaksh. Shine. Upa. Laksha. Laksh. Upalaksh. Shine. Next. Katabi. Kadabi. Katapi. Kadapi. Katapi. Ever. Katapi. Ever. Vaksh. Iksha. Vaksha. Heart. Vaksha. Heart. I think you are clear. You have to write in the classwork note these 14 meanings and you have to study. Okay, the study portion is this 14 meanings. Thank you, children. We can meet in the next class.